channel. If you are new, then welcome to my channel. It is Day back again with a video for y'all, and today I'm going to be giving you some tips on before starting your YouTube channel. Now, I have been getting a lot of questions, a lot of DMs of people asking me advice, tips, tricks for starting their YouTube channel. I decided to go ahead and make a video just so I can redirect people to the video, just so I don't have to keep giving out the same list of tips and tricks to every single individual person. So in this video, I'm going to be discussing a few tips and tricks before actually posting YouTube content, like making your channel or whatever. So next, you want to worry about your intro, outro, and your banner. You want to think about your channel like it's a TV show. Think about your favorite TV show and you know that intro song like the back of your hand. Like you just know it automatically. YouTube is your friend. Use YouTube. The resources are here for you. Everything is here for you and it's free. A person I highly recommend is It's Frida. I'm going to have her channel right here and also linked down below in the description box. I personally use her a lot. She has things such as how to make an intro, sounds YouTubers have, music that is not copyrighted. She has a bunch of different tools and videos to help you out, like making your channel better. So I will have her linked down below and I absolutely love her channel. I stand. You don't always have to pay someone to do your intros for you. All the resources are here for you to use. And if you just take a little bit of time, have patience, and try to learn these things for yourself, you can make a really good intro by yourself. I make all of my own intros and I think I am an amateur, like beginner status, but I take the time to look at videos and try to learn how to edit myself so that I can learn how to do it myself. So for the next tip, if you've never vlogged, recorded yourself, or anything of that nature, I highly recommend practicing. This is something that I had to do in the beginning too, just to get familiar with the camera, get familiar with recording yourself. It might feel a little funny in the beginning if you're not used to that sort of thing. So practice, like create a practice vlog. And then that's how you also learn how to edit. That's how I learned how to edit. I had a vlog that I didn't want to put up, like a practice vlog, and I just tried to edit it and make it better than what it originally was. And that's how I kind of learned how to edit. The next tip I have for y'all is building a vault. And what that means is creating a list. You want a list of video ideas that you can do for yourself so that when it's time to create a video, you're not like, what kind of video can I make? You already have that list. You have a vault already. So for example, this is a book I got at the Dollar Tree. It's a little journal, and what you would do is write down, give yourself 10 videos that you could do first and kind of just work with that 10 first before making more on the list. So that way you have a list of video ideas for yourself that you can make instead of having to think like, what video can I do today? That type of thing. Also, within the topic of building a vault, if you're not used to being consistent, I would highly recommend making a couple of videos first before starting to post. So don't post a video, then go MIA for 2 months and then continue. If you're not used to being consistent, I would highly recommend making maybe 3 videos. So that way you have a head start. Like, you have 3 videos to post before you have to make another one. So within that span of you posting those 3 videos, you have time to create that 4th video, if you understand what I'm saying. The next tip I have is studying your favorite YouTuber. I say this because there's a reason why you like that person, or there's a reason why you enjoyed their videos, vlogs, or whatever. Try to understand some of the things that they incorporate in their video or things that they edit into their video that makes you really like their video. Maybe you like when they talk and they're zooming in and out on their face. Maybe you like the little ding sound that comes sometimes when they're talking and they have something to put on the screen. So just really research your favorite YouTuber. Like, why do you like them? What is the reason? Like, what are some of the things they do that you can incorporate into your video? Not saying copy, don't copy anybody, be yourself. But as far as editing, as far as, sound effects and all of those things, you want to incorporate that into your video as well. A big tip I would recommend is you need time, passion, and patience in order to start a YouTube channel. Time, because you're going to need time to record. You're going to need time to edit. You're going to need time to upload. that is going to take time. So you're gonna have to, make time if you really want to start this YouTube channel. Next is passion. You want to have a passion for what you're doing, or you're not going to be interested in doing it for very long. Now, oftentimes people start YouTube just because they feel like, oh, people make so much money off of it, and if I start, I'm gonna make so much money off of it, and that's not the case for everybody. You don't want to start a channel just based off of wanting to get paid. A lot of people that are actually have a career of YouTube or are getting paid off of YouTube, it actually took them a long time to get to that point. So if that's your only purpose for making a YouTube channel, then I just feel like I got bad news for you, because it may not happen for you, or it may not happen when you want it to happen. So if you don't have the passion for it, again, then it's going to fizzle out, and you're going to be like, I don't want to do this anymore because I'm not getting paid for it and whatever. So you have to have a real passion for wanting to do this to continue to do it. Lastly, you're going to need patience. You're going to need patience because it is going to take time. It's going to take time to gain subscribers. It's going to take time to gain, like consistent views. It's going to take time to get monetized. So you're going to need patience. Like, you have to have patience with yourself and with your channel, and don't try to rush it. The last tip for this video I have for you is to have tough skin or build tough skin. If you are easily triggered, I would highly recommend building a tougher skin. And I say this just because there are people on here that are very negative. There are bullies online, you know what I'm saying? So if you're easily triggered, or if you're, an emotional person, or you can't handle, people throwing these very negative, nasty comments your way, either I would recommend turning off your comments, but that also would like hurt you as far as engagement, because you want your subscribers to engage with you. You want those positive comments, so you don't want to completely take off your comments. But I would highly recommend like building a tougher skin, having confidence. Really, like, you need to have confidence within yourself, within your channel, and you need to be able to brush off those bullies, because they're on here and I just don't want anybody to, get hurt. So if you are easily offended, really sensitive, or, easily triggered, I highly recommend you building a tougher skin, because there are people like that on here. I'm just going to let you know, give y'all the real. This concludes all the little tips and tricks I have for this video of things to do before starting your YouTube channel. The next video I post would be tips and tricks for beginners, like after you've started your channel. I'll have that up shortly after this video. Don't miss it. All right, if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn your post notification bell on, so the next time that I drop a video, you don't know when, then you'll be notified. I love you guys.